Are you ready to take a general education course, but don't know how to find the right one? Then this video is for you. First, log into SIS using your unique name and password. Once logged in, click on Student Services, followed by Registration, and then Add Drop Classes. Select the term in which you wish to take the general education course, then click Submit. Next, click on Class Search, followed by Advanced Search. Highlight all courses listed within the subject field by left-clicking on Accounting, and while still holding down the left mouse button, dragging your cursor down until you have highlighted all available subjects. Next, within the Attribute Type field, select the specific general education category you want to fulfill. Here's a helpful tip. Holding down the Control key on your keyboard will allow you to select multiple general education categories at one time. Finally, click on Class Search. This will generate a list of general education courses that meets your search criteria. That's it. Now go find the general education course that's right for you.